Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Hope you're all doing good. Students, I've got an announcement today, which is very important for your career. Announcement ఏంటంటే we are going to conduct an exam and offer free coaching. All right, it's free coaching. On top of that, we're going to offer stipend of 500 per month, rupees 500 per month for 2 years. 2 years వరకు కోచింగ్ ఇస్తాము. నీట్ ఇంకా ఐటీ కోచింగ్ ఇస్తాము. దట్ ఈస్ టిల్ 2027. నెక్స్ట్ అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి 2 years వరకు కోచింగ్ ఇస్తాము. ప్లస్ rupees 500 will be given to you as a stipend every month for 2 years. For the deserving candidates, 100 candidates ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఆ 100 candidates ని కోచింగ్ ఇచ్చి ట్రైన్ చేస్తాము ఎగ్జామ్ కోసం ఫర్ ఐఐటి అండ్ నీట్. ఆల్రైట్, ది సెలెక్షన్ ప్రాసెసెస్ ఆన్లైన్ స్క్రీనింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది ఫస్ట్. దాని తర్వాత రిటర్న్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది at some centers, selected centers. Syllabus is going to be your 10th class syllabus itself. Math, science, and mental ability. All right. I repeat, 100 students will be selected and they'll be given free coaching, absolutely free coaching. On top of it, you'll be given a stipend of 500 rupees every month for 2 years. But you have to prove yourself. Exam రాసి దాంట్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయితే 100 స్టూడెంట్స్ కి ఫ్రీ కోచింగ్ ఇస్తాము. ఎలా అప్లై చేయాలి? jetcs.in వెబ్సైట్కి వెళ్ళండి ఆర్ SMS, not SMS, WhatsApp JetSat to 7337285228. ఈ నంబర్ కి JetSat అని వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. You'll get details about it. All right. It's a golden opportunity, students. Do not miss the opportunity. You'll get free coaching, and on top of it, you'll get stipend. And the faculty are from IITs and top institutes like IITs. All right. We have got IITians who will be teaching you. మీరు ఐఐటిలో చదవాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఐఐటి నుంచి వచ్చే వాళ్ళు మీకు చెప్తున్నారు. ఆల్ రైట్, సో దట్స్ వెరీ ఇట్స్ a golden opportunity. Do not miss it. డీటెయిల్స్ కోసం మీరు 7337285228 కి JetSat అని వాట్సాప్ చేస్తే you'll get the details, or you can visit the website for more details. All right. I request Fatima ma'am to continue the session.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology, and now we will be continuing with the session. Today we have our biology session. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Just a second. All right. So students, today we will be doing questions from the topic coordination in life processes. Okay. As you all know the rules, we are going to discuss about the questions in these classes. Yes, these are the free coaching classes for the exams like Polycet, Tsrjc, JC. So we are doing the preparation course, and our today's topic is coordination in life processes. So let's start this session. I hope everyone is ready. Yes. Okay. Okay, students, coming up to the first question. Okay, here we have our first question, that is like swallowing of food from mouth into the esophagus is coordinated by the swallowing centers in the. Okay, and your options are number 1, medulla oblongata and cerebellum. Option number 2, medulla oblongata and brainstem. Option number 3, cerebrum and cerebellum. Or is it option number 4, cerebrum and brainstem 2, the nerve which plays an important role? Students, you have only 30 seconds to answer each question. Okay. Chat box is enabled for you. Now you can write your answers in the chat box. Quickly write the answers in the chat box. For the first question, swallowing a food from mouth into the esophagus is coordinated by the swallowing centers in the. medulla oblongata and cerebellum, medulla oblongata and brainstem, cerebrum and cerebellum, cerebrum and brainstem too. Okay. Alright, students, revealing the correct answer, that is option number 2, medulla oblongata and brainstem. DK Harika and Venkatraman, both are correct. Well done. Next question. The nerve which plays an important role in sensation of taste is. Okay. And your options are number 1, ninth cranial nerve. Option number 2, eighth cranial nerve. Option number 3, 10th cranial nerve. Or is it option number 4, 11th cranial nerve? So quickly answer this question. The nerve which plays an important role in sensation of taste. Is it ninth cranial nerve, eighth cranial nerve, 10th cranial nerve, or 11th cranial nerve? Hurry up, students. Okay. I'm revealing the correct answer, students. The correct answer is option number 3, 10th cranial nerve. Okay, Ramcharan, Adi Narayana, you both are correct. Well done, students. This is the right answer. That is 10th cranial nerve. Moving ahead, we have another question. Hunger pangs are developed in the stomach when? And your options are number 1, the levels of glucose in the blood rise. Option number 2, the levels of glucose in the blood remain unchanged. Option number 3, the levels of glucose in the blood fall. Or is it option number 4, all the above? Quickly write your answers in the chat section, students. Your time is running very fast. Hunger pangs are developed in the stomach when levels of glucose in the blood rise, levels of glucose in the blood remains unchanged, the levels of glucose in the blood fall, or is it all the above? Okay, as I can see, maximum of you are writing option number 3. Let's check whether it's right or wrong. Okay, well done, students. Excellent. To be honest, everyone, those who have written the answer, you have written 3 only. Excellent, students. You all are correct. Well done. Quickly answer this question as well. When stomach goes empty, which hormone is secreted in the from the walls of the stomach? And your options are number 1, ghrelin. Option number 2, leptin. Option number 3, secretin. Or is it option number 4, gastric? Hurry up, students. Students, you all are doing great. Excellent, students. Maintain this energy in the entire class. The way you all are answering, it's incredible. Okay, I'm revealing the correct answer, students. That is option number 1, ghrelin. And all of you are correct. Those who have selected option number 1. Students, I'm not able to take your all of your name, but yes, I can see maximum of you have written this option number 1 in the chat box, and you all are correct. Excellent, students. Next question. Hunger pangs continue up to, and your options are number 1, 25 to 30 minutes. Option number 2, 30 to 40 minutes. Option number 3, 25 to 40 minutes, or is it option number 4, 30 to 45 minutes? Hunger pangs continue up to 25 to 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, 25 to 40 minutes, or 30 to 35 minutes. Hurry up, students. Come on. Time is running very fast. Hurry up, students. All right, your time is up. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Ramcharan, well done. You are correct. Option 4 is the right answer. That is 30 to 45 minutes. Next question, students. Umami taste is, and your options are number 1, Chinese savory. Option number 2, Japanese savor. Japanese savory. Option number 4, English savory. Or is it option number 5, Indian savory? Umami taste is Chinese savory, Japanese savory, English savory, or is it Indian savory? Okay, students, everyone written the correct answer? Or if not correct also, then also no need to worry. These are not your exams. These are your practice sessions. So we can practice here. Yes? All right. Let's check the correct answer. That is option number 2, Japanese savory. Okay. So those who have selected option number 2, you all are correct. Anusha, Ramcharan, Harika, you all are correct. Satyana, well done, students. Well done. Next question. Interaction between these increases our captions of food we eat. And your options are number 1, sense of taste and sight. Option number 2, sense of sight and smell. Option number 3, sense of taste and smell. Or is it option number 4, sense of smell and touch? Come on, students. Quickly write the answers in the chat box. Interaction between these increases our captions of food we eat. Sense of taste and sight, sense of sight and smell, sense of taste and smell, or is it senses of smell and touch? The correct answer for this question is option number 3, sense of taste and smell. Okay, those who have selected option 3, you all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. Only after the dissolved food enters these, the sense of taste is carried to brain. And your options are number 1, taste buds. Option number 2, taste receptors. Option number 3, piliform papillae. Or is it option number 4, all the above? Only after the dissolved food enters these, the sense of taste is carried to brain. And your options are number 1, taste buds, number 2, taste receptors, option number 3, piliform papillae, or is it option number 4, all the above? Okay. All right, students, as I can see, maximum of you have written your answers in the chat box. Let's see the correct answer. That is option number 1. Taste buds. Okay, those who have selected option number 1, they are correct. Next question. Taste can be identified easily when the tongue is pressed against the. And your options are number 1, throat. Option number 2, buccal cavity. Option number 3, palate. Or is it option number 4, glottis? By mistake here, the spelling of buccal is wrong, students. The correct spelling is Buccal. Okay, so don't go on this spelling. I have missed this spelling error, but I have corrected it here in the class. You just write your answers, the correct answers. A taste can be identified easily when the tongue is pressed against the throat, buccal cavity, palate, or glottis. Students, the correct answer for this question is option number 3, palate. Okay, those who have selected option number 3, you all are correct. Well done, students. Excellent. Next one. Tincture of iodine is used to confirm the presence of dash in the food. And your options are number 1, starch. Option number 2, proteins. Option number 3, fats, not flats. Here it will be F. Again, a spelling error by mistake. I missed it. This will be FATS, fats. Or is it option number 4, minerals? Students, quickly write your answers in the chat box. Tincture of iodine is used to confirm the presence of dash in the food. Starch, proteins, fats, or minerals? Okay. Satyana, Divya, Harika, Raju, Chandu, Ramcharan, you all are correct. The correct answer for this question will be option number 1, starch. Malisham, Rasha Sukriti. Excellent students. You all are correct. The correct answer is option number 1, starch. Well done. Next question. As a result of chewing, food forms into a round mass called. And your options are number 1, chime. Option number 2, bolus. Option number 3, semi-chime. Or is it option number 4, bolon? This question is very easy. As a result of chewing, food forms into a round mass called chime, bolus, semi-chime, or bolon. Okay, done, students? The correct answer for this question is option number 2, bolus. Okay, those who have selected bolus, you all are correct. That is option number 2. Well done, students. Next one. Salivary amylase acts on these large molecules to form sugars. And your options are number 1, starch. Option number 2, proteins. Option number 3, fats. Or is it option number 4, minerals? Salivary amylase acts on these large molecules to form sugars, starch, proteins, fats, or minerals. Come on, students, hurry up. Increase your energy, students. You have very limited time to answer each question. Okay, students, now I'm revealing the correct answer. That is option number 1, starch. Okay. Those who have selected option 1, you all are correct. Next question. If the pH of a substance is below 7, it is dash in nature. And your options are number 1, alkaline, option number 2, acidic, option number 3, neutral, or is it option number 4, none of these? Okay, if the pH of a substance is below 7, it is acidic in nature, students. Okay, so the correct answer will be acidic. Next one. Salivary amylase acts in this medium. And your options are number 1, alkaline, number 2, acidic, number 3, neutral, or is it number 4, all the above? You all know salivary amylase is an enzyme which is secreted in our mouth only. It is there mixed with saliva. Yes. So salivary amylase acts in this medium, alkaline, acidic, neutral, or all the above. Quickly write your answers, students. You have only limited time to answer each question. I'm repeating again and again. Try to solve the questions as soon as possible. Okay, maximum of you are writing in the chat box as option 2. Let's check whether it's right or wrong. Okay, you all are correct, students. Well done. Well done, students. Acidic will be the right answer. Next one. Belching and burning sensation is caused by the production of this acid in the stomach. And your options are number 1, nitric acid, option number 2, hydrochloric acid, option number 3, sulfuric acid, or is it option number 4, phosphorus acid? So which acid is there in the stomach? It is secreted in the stomach for the digestion of food, students. Nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, or phosphorus acid? Yes, students, those who have selected option number 2, hydrochloric acid, you all are correct. Well done. Many of you are there. Many of you. I cannot take everyone's name. Divya, Anusha, Malisham, Kavali, Rajita, Harika, then Satyana, Ramcharan. You all are correct. Well done, students. Next question. The partially digested food in the stomach is called. And your options are number 1, bolon, option number 2, bolus, option number 3, chyme, or is it option number 4, semi-bolus? Here we are talking about partially digested food, students, not the completely digested food. There is a difference in both the terms, right? So, partially digested food in the stomach is called bolon, bolus, chyme, or semi-bolus. Yes, students, you all are correct. The correct answer is chyme. Chyme, that is chyme or chyme, both you can pronounce. Next one. Reverse peristalsis occurs in dash animals. And your options are number one, herbivore. Option number two, ruminate. Option number three, carnivore. Or is it option number four, omnivore? Peristalsis, you know, zigzag movement of the esophagus when we swallow the food. Yes, it is lined by the mucus. So that movement is known as peristaltic movement whenever you are swallowing the food. So reverse peristalsis, it occurs in ruminates. Okay. So students, those who have selected ruminate, you all are correct. Well done. Next question. Emptying of 100% food from small intestine takes. And your options are number one, 30 to 40 hours. Number two, 20 to 30 hours. Option number three, 30 to 50 hours. Or is it option number four, 20 to 40 hours? Eating of 100% food from small intestine takes 30 to 40 hours, 20 to 30 hours, 30 to 50 hours, or is it 20 to 40 hours? Everyone written the answers? Shall I reveal the correct answer, students? Okay, the correct answer is option number 1, 30 to 40 hours. Not 30 to 50 hours, but 30 to 40 hours, students. So for this question, option number 1 is the right answer. Next question. HCl secreted by the walls of the stomach is strong enough to digest even the parts like cartilage, hard bones, muscles, or tendons. Hurry up, students. Time is running very fast. We have limited time. HCl secreted by the walls of the stomach is strong enough to digest even the parts like cartilage, hard bones, muscles, or tendons. Yes, students, you all are correct. That is option number two, hard bones. Everyone has written hard bones. Those who have selected option two, you all are correct, students. Excellent, students. Excellent. Next one. The action of acid secreted in the stomach is countered by. And your options are number one, the gastric juice secreted by the stomach. Option number two, the pepsin present in the gastric juice. Option number three, the fats present in the food. Or is it option number four, the mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach? The action of the acid secreted in the stomach is countered by the gastric juices secreted by the stomach, the pepsin present in the gastric juice, the fats present in the food, or the mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach. Right. The correct answer for this question is option number 4. Okay, those who have selected option 4, you all are correct. The mucus secreted by the walls of the stomach. Next question. Acidic nature of chyme indicates the production of hormones like, and your options are number 1, trypsin, chymotrypsin. Option number 2, pepsin and trypsin. Option number 3, secretin or cholecystokinin. Okay, it will be cholecystokinin, or yes, this will be the correct pronunciation, cholecystokinin. Option number 4, lipase or sucrase. Acidic nature of chyme indicates the production of hormones like trypsin, chymotrypsin, pepsin and trypsin, secretin and cholecystokinin, lipase or sucrase. Students, these questions are very important for the exam point of view. So you can note down these questions. You can refer to our videos, our previous videos also. Okay, students, I'm revealing the correct answer. That is option number 3, secretin and cholecystokinin. Okay. Yes, Harika, you are correct. Bhurevar Raju, you are also correct. Those who have selected option 3, you all are correct, students. Next question. Surface area of the small intestine for absorption is increased by, and your options are number 1, villi, option number 2, lymph vessels, option number 3, blood vessels, or is it option number 4, sphincter muscles? Surface area of the small intestine for absorption is increased by villi, lymph vessels, blood vessels, or sphincter muscles. Students, the correct answer for this question is option number 1, villi. Well done. Maximum of you have selected option 1. Excellent, students. I'm so glad to see your answers, your responses. They're very impressive. Next one. The neural apparatus of our digestive tract has been nicknamed by scientists as the, and your options are number 1, second brain, number 2, third brain, number 3, first brain, or is it option number 4, fourth brain? Students, focus on the question. It is asking that what is the nickname of the digestive tract's neural apparatus. Okay. Second brain, third brain, first brain, or fourth brain? All right. Yes, students, the correct answer is option number 1, second brain. Well done. Well done. Those who are writing second brain, they all are correct. Next one. Enteric nervous system, also known as ENS, is present in excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, or transport system. enteric nervous system is present in excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, or transport system? Okay, students, what is enteric nervous system? It is a network of nerves in the digestive system. So the correct answer for this question will be option number 3, digestive system. Okay, and this ENS only sometimes known as second brain. Okay, the previous question we did. Yes, students, you all are correct. Those who have selected option 3, digestive system, Harika, Raju, Ganesh, well done. Next one. The neural tissue of nervous system is filled with important transmitters, neurotransmitters, electrons, or electrodes. What will be the correct answer? Neural tissue of enteric nervous system is filled with important transmitters, neurotransmitters, electrons, or electrodes. Hurry up. Very easy question. Yes, students, you all are correct. Option 2 is the right answer. That is neurotransmitters. Well done. Next one. The second brain contains about dash million neurons. You have to tell in numbers. The second brain contains about dash million neurons. And your options are 200, 100, 300, or 400. Here we are asking about million. This question can be asked in billions also, right? Same question, only the answer will change according to the numbers. So you have to keep this in mind. Okay, the second brain contains about 100 million neurons. Okay, so those who have selected option 2, you all are correct. Option number 1 is not the right answer, students, for this question. The right answer is option number 2. Okay. Next one. Hard mass of feces or faces gets stored in this part of the large intestine. And your options are number 1, rectum, number 2, colon, number 3, caecum, or is it number 4, duodenum? Hard mass of feces get stored in this large intestine, rectum, colon, cecum, or duodenum. Hard mass of feces gets stored in this part of the largest intestine, rectum, colon, cecum, or duodenum. The correct answer for this question is option number 1, rectum. Next one. If energy has to be obtained from food, it has to be reduced, oxidized and reduced, oxidized, or fermented. Yes, students? If energy has to be obtained from food, it has to be reduced, oxidized and reduced both, or only oxidized or fermented. The correct answer for this question is option number 3, oxidized. Okay. Well done, those who have selected option 3. I can see many of you have selected option 3. You all are correct, students. Next one. Respiration is an involuntary process controlled by the medulla oblongata of this nervous system. And your options are number 1, autonomous nervous system. Option number 2, peripheral nervous system. Option number 3, central nervous system. Or is it option number 4, sympathetic nervous system? Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number 1, autonomous nervous system, not the central nervous system, students. Okay, make a note of this question. The correct answer will be ANS, that is autonomous nervous system. Option 1 is the right answer. Next one. During respiration, the movement of intercostal diaphragm moves in the rib cage, inflating and deflating the liver. Option number 2, lung. Option number 3, abdomen. Or is it option number 4, kidney? During respiration, the movement of intercostal diaphragm moves the rib cage, inflating and deflating the liver, lung, abdomen, or kidney. It's very easy to answer this question as we know that lungs are related with respiration. No other organ is related with the respiration term. So the correct answer for this question will be lungs. Okay. Those who have selected lungs, they are right. Those who haven't, just learn to lose your logics also in few questions for answering the questions. All right, students. Okay, that's all for today's class, students. We will meet super soon in the next class with the new upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe our channel, that is Jatadhara Educational Technology. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.